Looking for the perfect floor jack for your car? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal the best floor jacks on AliExpress, affordable, durable, and high-performing. These standout products are carefully selected based on popularity, performance, affordability, durability, and user feedback. For more details, don't forget to check the description section below. And if you love useful reviews like this, hit subscribe to stay updated with all our future recommendations. Now, let's dive in and explore the perfect floor jack for you. Number 4. VEVOR Electric Car Jack Floor Jack. Looking for a reliable tool for emergencies or car repairs? The VEVOR Electric Car Jack is a game changer. With a lifting capacity of 3 to 5 tons and powered by a 12-volt DC outlet, this electric scissors jack makes lifting your vehicle effortless and fast. It's perfect for SUVs, sedans, or any car within the weight range. The kit also includes a high-powered impact wrench, making tire changes quicker and stress-free. Packed in a portable, sturdy case, it's designed for durability and convenience. Whether you're on the road or at home, this tool ensures you're never stuck in a tough spot. A must-have for any car owner. Number 3. VEVOR 2.5T Floor Hydraulic Jack. Looking for a reliable heavy-duty floor jack? The VEVOR 2.5T Hydraulic Floor Jack is a game-changer. Built with durable steel and a sleek, low-profile design, it's perfect for cars, SUVs, and even racing vehicles. Its 2.5-ton capacity and pneumatic lift system ensure fast, smooth operation, saving you time and effort. The single-piston lift pump provides precise control, while the reinforced structure guarantees stability and safety during use. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it's compact, portable, and easy to store. Whether you're doing tire changes or undercarriage work, this jack delivers unmatched performance. Upgrade your garage today with this efficient and affordable tool. Quality you can trust. Number 2. Hydraulic Low-Profile Racing Floor Jack. Introducing the hydraulic low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack, the ultimate tool for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Built with a robust 2.5-ton, 5,000-pound capacity, it's perfect for lifting sedans, SUVs, and sports cars effortlessly. Its dual-piston quick-lift pump ensures smooth, rapid lifting, saving you valuable time during repairs or tire changes. The low-profile design allows it to fit under vehicles with minimal ground clearance, while its lightweight aluminum and steel construction ensures durability without compromising portability. Whether you're in the garage or on the go, this jack delivers reliable performance every time. Don't miss out on this versatile, must-have tool for your automotive needs. Number 1. DayPlus Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack. Are you ready to make car maintenance a breeze? Introducing the DayPlus Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack, your ultimate solution for effortless lifting. With a 2-ton capacity, this portable yet heavy-duty floor jack is perfect for any vehicle. Its steel handle ensures sturdy grip and control, while the low-profile design makes it easy to reach even the tightest spaces. Whether you're repairing tires or performing routine maintenance, this jack delivers smooth, reliable performance. Plus, it comes with a durable carry case, making it convenient to store and transport. Built to last and priced affordably, this is a must-have for every car owner. Get yours today and lift with confidence.